Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Baby Shop. In this video, we try to help you find out the best popsicle molds on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 5. WYOK Popsicle Mold Set of 4. Forming smooth and ovular pops, this mold produces perfect popsicles with its fun and functional design. The WYOK Popsicle Mold Set of 4 is a silicone tool with shallow divots. The standard shape is rounded, but the fun part for us is included with the Ice World shape option, where each popsicle is formed into a different creature, complete with little ears and expressive faces. Regardless of the shapes, getting the pops out of the mold is as simple as twisting and gently pulling. The silicone material is flexible for easy release. Attractively designed, it comes in several colors and shapes and is dishwasher safe. The mold also fits into a freezer nicely without taking up too much room. Number 4. Zoku Classic Pop Molds. The Zoku Classic Pop Molds are meant to be used time and time again for mess-free desserts. The vibrant green plastic mold is sturdy enough to keep it from tipping or slipping in your freezer, and pouring any popsicle-ready base couldn't be easier. We love the reusable sticks and the fact that it comes with a fitted cover. Even better, it's made up of individual molds in a holder, so removing only a single popsicle is a breeze. The sticks are drip catchers too, so they catch stray drops of melted ice pop to help keep hands, clothes, or floors free of melted cycle. During testing, we also appreciated the fill line that told us when to stop pouring so as to not overfill. Cleaning up was easy using the dishwasher or washing by hand. From start to finish, the popsicle making process with the Zoku was so simple that it earned a perfect score on our kitchen tests. Number 3. Ozera Reusable Ice Pop Molds Set of 6. Testing the icy waters of homemade popsicles with your kids for the first time? Does the idea of spending money on a seasonal frivolity give you pause? We got you! This highly recommended set of 6 produces a standard popsicle big enough to make a satisfying dessert for an adult while still being manageable for small hands. It's exceptionally versatile, allows you to make several types of popsicles in a batch, and can be extracted without awkward manipulation of the whole tray. When testing, the resulting popsicles were solid and had great shape. No wider than 8 inches, the mold didn't take up too much space in our freezers, and they were sturdy enough to be worry-free when it came to spilling. We also liked how this set comes with a funnel, which makes pouring quick and mess-free. It's a high return on investment for popsicle lovers everywhere. Number 2. Tovolo Dino Ice Pop Molds. If there's one thing every parent knows, it's that sometimes kids are more likely to try new foods, like healthy smoothie pops, if they're shaped like something fun. With this popsicle mold, you can make 4 dino-shaped pops, sure to please your tots. And because every parent also wants convenience, you'll delight in the fact that this mold is fully reusable, no buying extra sticks, and completely dishwasher safe. So all you have to do is pop it in the machine. If there's any drawback, it's that the stand can be a bit bulky for smaller freezers. The trade-off, it's nice and sturdy, so it won't tip if you do have the space. Number 1. Nuby Garden Fresh Fruitsicle Tray. Pure fruit popsicles are undoubtedly one of the best snacks for babies and toddlers, but the classic variety can be top-heavy, making them difficult for little hands to hold onto. That's where this clever mold comes in. It's short and squat and creates 4 mini popsicles. Each one holds just 1 ounce of liquid that are perfectly shaped for the tiniest set. What's more, a looped handle makes the snack easier to grip. so babies as young as 6 months can enjoy a frozen treat, great for soothing the sore gums of teethers. Besides the impressive functionality, parents will also love the fact that each stick also has a wide popsicle holder base that catches drips as the popsicle melts for a mess-free experience. Though plastic, the mold is entirely BPA-free,